To create your 30-second test file, you can copy and paste selections that come from one single file or from different files. Ideally, you would select sounds that you are not going to use to build your model. Save a few seconds of your recordings for that test file. In this example, the first Audacity page will become my test file, where I will paste my different selections, and on a new page, we are going to open the sound file from which we want to select a few seconds. You can navigate in the file, you can zoom in, and select a few seconds from one of the events. Go to Edit and Copy or press Ctrl-C. Then paste that selection on the test channel. You can select and cut part of the file by pressing Ctrl-X. You may make your selections from the same file or open different files, like we do here. Again, select by dragging, press Ctrl-C, and then paste on the test file. You can add as many events as you want on this test file. Now make sure it has the same sample rate as your model files. Once your test file is ready, go to File and Export. Export Audio. And your file is now ready to use.